Transform your construction site with our fun and quirky 7-inch googly eyes. These oversized eyes are perfect for adding a touch of humor to your equipment. With an adhesive back and included reinforcement tape, they stick securely to any surface. Picture this, your machine bucket with big, googly eyes, making everyone smile as they pass by. Designed to add a fun element to your construction site, you can turn that digger into a dinosaur and watch as your site becomes the most eye-catching spectacle in town. Our googly eyes are designed for entertainment purposes, bringing a light-hearted atmosphere to any project. Whether it's on a digger, loader, or even your toolbox, these eyes will add a unique personality to your tools. The strong adhesive ensures they stay put, while the reinforcement tape gives extra security. Our customers love the fun and laughter these googly eyes bring. They're a hit with both kids and adults alike. Upgrade your construction equipment with our googly eyes and make every workday a bit more enjoyable. Order your pair today and start spreading joy with your googly-eyed machine bucket. Note, for entertainment purposes only. Eyes only intended to Google. Visit us at the link listed on the page.